Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Arya, and if you are new here, I'll be really happy if you just take your time and subscribe to my channel below. So guys, in this video I am gonna share my skincare routine with you guys, which only contains like about 4 steps, and it's a very simple, and this is what I am following for months now. Well, I'm not a perfectionist, but I only use the product which I basically trust on my skin, and these are really gentle on my skin. Well, the steps are very simple, and without further ado, I think I'll just get into the video. So guys, keep watching.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
So guys, in every skincare routine, I think the first step is always a cleanser, and I am using this cleanser for months now, and this is the Clinique liquid facial soap for oily skin formula. I don't have a oily skin guys, but I have a combination skin and my T-zone tends to get oily, and guys, this cleanser like acts perfectly on my skin, and I am just in love with this cleanser. So yeah, so guys, I have just washed my face, and now I am going to take about 1 pump of this product, and this is in this formula. It is a little bit gel texture and it's a bit runny. So yeah, so guys, I have like washed my face, and now the second step is this. I use this scrub, and this is the Jeju volcanic lava pore scrub foam, and it is basically a foam scrub, and it is very gentle in skin. So I also take 1 pump of this product, and it is a bit like in this consistency. So I'm gonna rub it in between my fingers, and then I'm gonna apply it all over my face. So guys, the third step in my skincare routine is this mask, which is the Plum Green Tea Clear Face Mask, and it is like perfect for sensitive skin. And guys, yes, I do have a sensitive skin, and I just love this product on my skin. And I don't use face mask on a daily basis. I use this mask like twice in a week. So yeah, so guys, I have like already applied the mask on my face, and now I have to wait for 15 to 20 minutes so that it gets dry, and then I'll just wash it off. So yeah, so guys, 15 to 20 minutes is almost over, and I have like washed off my face. And also I just forgot to mention that this is also for like oily to combination skin, and it is also a very good product for those who have acne prone skin, and it like acts like a holy grail product for me. So yeah, okay guys, so the fourth step in my skincare routine is a homemade rice water toner, which I absolutely love using because it has a lot of properties in it, and you can see that rice all over setting in the bottom. And this is the rice water, and I like kept it in the freezer overnight. Guys, rice water contains ferulic acid, which acts as a powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties, and it also contains like vitamin B1, C and E, which all together like helps to shrink and tighten the pore, and also like brighten up our skin. And also guys, rice water also acts as a natural skin protection. And I have kept it in refrigerator, and I wanted the water to be cold because cold water also has some benefits for skin, which is like it soothes the sunburn, and it also helps to boost the healthy skin glow. So yeah, I just take a cotton pad and just dip it like this, and then I just like to put it all over my face like this. And then I just gently pat dry my skin, and okay guys, so the last step of my skincare is moisturizer, and I just noticed that I have like increased one step and it's like total 5 step because I have applied the face mask. I was considering a 4-step skincare routine which was without the face mask, as I only use it twice a week, but on a daily basis there is basically a 4-step skincare routine, but whenever I use the face mask it becomes 5 steps. So yeah, the 5th step is guys using a moisturizer, and I use this moisturizer because it also contains SPF, and it is also made for sensitive skin, and I just love using this product. If you have seen my previous videos, you guys might have seen me using this moisturizer during my makeup also, because I absolutely love using this product. So yeah. I just take this much of product because this much is like more than enough for my skin, and then I just rubbing between my fingers and then I just like to apply all over my face. So guys, this was it for my today's video, and this was my skincare routine, and I really hope you guys will enjoy it, and also do subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and also guys, give this video a thumbs up if you really liked it, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.